Hey guys, I'm Alicia.
And I'm Susan.
And today we're making an Easter necklace. Can you believe that Easter is like almost here?
No, I can't because it's actually snowing outside and Easter's right around the corner.
How are we gonna hunt for Easter eggs if it's snowing?
I know, it's gonna be too cold.
Or you can't find them, they're gonna be lost in the snow.
That'd be terrible.
That would be. But have you come up with your Easter jewelry yet?
No, I actually have my outfit. I know you can't believe it.
Oh, what color is it?
It's white, so that's way I didn't have to worry about what
go with everything
jewelry I
then.
wore, right?
Yes.
But I need something.
Well, I thought, I've already made these little links.
These are
with
cute.
quick links. But then I want to kind of make it into a necklace.
Oh.
But you know, you have all of those like beads.
So I could wear this because I'm wearing white.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
I mean, you could wear it because it goes with anything. Look at all the colors in it.
So what do we use? Do you have is this a strand or is that bead soup?
So it's bead soup.
Oh, good.
Because you have all of those beads left over that you don't know what to do with. Because they're just random.
Tons of them. You know, you realize I have my whole box of bead soup with me today.
You just decided, you just knew
well,
what you were
no,
gonna do.
I had another project to do and I just had all these, look at all these beads. Look at this.
It's a robin egg.
Look at that.
Look at that. Oh,
you think that's enough there?
you.
All right, so what do I need? What tools do I need? What supplies?
You need a cutter and a chain nose.
Okay,
And that's
got that.
pretty much it.
Perfect.
And some 24 gauge wire. And your quick links.
Quick links.
Your peanuts.
Peanuts.
Peanuts, connectors.
Not the ones you eat.
No, not the ones you eat.
Gotcha.
I
And
don't
then bead
know if
soup.
that would be
And I already picked
fun
these.
coming out. Huh?
These good?
Yes.
I love this one right here.
Yes.
That's my favorite.
So what are you going to do? What is your design?
Well, I was thinking I would just go straight across because you've got all these crazy ones and this one's kind of straight.
You
So
need
maybe
something
that's a little bit less crazy. So I'm going to go with, like just 5 or 6 inches of wire and just go straight across.
There you
How's
go.
that? What are you going to do?
I'm going to do just a hodgepodge all over. Just some little swoops. Kind of like these that I've already done. Just random beads.
I like that.
And then I like to put them, wire wrap them all first and then connect them afterwards.
Okay.
It's just easier.
So then you can kind of decide like what order you want to put them in.
Yes.
Nice.
Okay.
So look how pretty this one is. This is making me really happy. It reminds me of Easter egg, hunting for Easter eggs.
So pretty. I mean, could you imagine opening up an Easter egg and bead soup being in it? Like, it'd be such a treasure.
You know, I kind of switched when I had kids, I actually switched and started doing the plastic eggs and putting stuff inside of them because they really...
My
they
grandpa
didn't
always
like
put
the
money.
eggs. Oh,
He
yeah,
put a $100 bill in one of them.
Oh.
And we would have to...
I actually color coded the eggs because my kids would fight over the money. I had 2, and so I would say, you get to find all the yellow and green eggs, and you get to find all the purple and pink eggs.
That's a good idea.
Well, they were both boys, so I had to switch out the purple and pink. But whatever, so that they both got the same amount of money.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they would... How come you got $20 and I only got $5? You know?
Yeah.
And also, my older son Josh would have gotten all the money. He was fast.
Yeah.
He was a fast hunter.
My brother
would
beat me to it, but my pop Charlie would always be like, "It's up in the tree, go get it," because I was the only girl.
That's awesome.
Isn't it easy?
It really is.
Just fast. A good way to use up some leftover beads.
I love this because I'm always looking for something to do with my bead soup because this is about to overflow. I mean, have you seen? Look how many beads. Look at this. Oops. Oh man, my tassel came off. But you know what? It's lucky we make jewelry because I can fix that.
I think it's just the jump ring.
Oh yeah, it is.
Easy fix.
I'll do that in a little while. A little later. Yeah. It's going back together. That's all I have to say because I really like that tassel. There. Oops, kind of squashed mine a little bit. Didn't mean to do that. Okay.
Almost done.
So, let me just trim this baby off. Do you do yours on the inside or the outside, or do you have like a system?
Inside. So it doesn't catch on your clothes.
Right. So I can push that under the inside of the link. How's it going?
It's good. How's it going for you?
Oh man, it is. I'm rocking and rolling over here.
Boom.
Oh, you beat me still. How do you always beat me, even though like I did less wrapping than you?
I don't know.
I don't understand. Just trying to get that
Your
little piece down.
perfection.
I know. I can't help it. Sorry. Okay. There. Oh, it looks cute though.
It does. So now you just kind of, let's see. So we probably go.
Let me get rid of these guys.
Like this. Boom.
Oh, that looks cute.
And then you just connect them.
Look, that looks, see, that's really cute.
So cute.
I love it.
Bunch of
I love
Easter
the
eggs.
drop.
It's just swinging.
Yeah.
Isn't it cute?
Yes.
It's a perfect little necklace, and you're just using bead soup.
I forgot to ask, are we making this for me or do
You can borrow it.
Thanks. All right, so I'm just gonna connect these babies together. I like to use a flat nose. Are you using a chain nose?
I like to, yeah.
I just feel like I get better control with the flat nose. But
I feel like I can get in there and push it down easier.
really,
Yeah.
either one works.
Either one. It's whatever you prefer. There's no right or wrong.
These are super easy to do, though. I love these links. Let me look at that.
It's
That is so easy, and it looks really professional.
So easy. Anybody can do this. Just press down on these.
You know,
little
if
things.
you have, even if you had kids, I think kids could do this too.
Kids will. This would be a great thing to do with your kids on Easter,
Oh, that'd be cute, wouldn't it?
like
If you
Easter
put-
eggs.
Oh, bead soup in the
your
Easter eggs.
and then and some quick links.
Yes,
and then
that'd be like starting a new jewelry maker.
Yes. Oh, I would love that if I was a little girl. And then,
The thing is, you don't have to be perfect about the wire wrapping either.
no.
It can be, because it's kind of a crazy, mixed
Yeah.
up necklace.
So easy.
Just watch that one. This one goes under.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Ta-da!
Well, we got a little bit.
We got a
more.
few more. It's not quite long enough, Alicia.
We got a
Just
little
saying.
bit more.
Oh, okay.
Then you just got to add.
Oh,
gosh. It's like, no, we lost Peanut. We only have
They're
the
like
right
gold.
amount.
Yes.
So easy.
Squish.
And it's so fun, too.
I really like quick links.
I do, too.
I mean, really, it's just links of chain. Sorry, I'm being slow.
So cute. And you can wear this with anything because of all the colors.
See, that's gonna look really cute on my white dress. Thanks for making that for me.
You're so funny.
Be a good necklace to take on vacation because it would go with everything.
Everything.
That was fun. So let's make another one because I want one too.
Okay.
How's that?
And you know these quick links come in
All
gold.
different sizes. Oh, and gold.
Gold.
Oh yeah.
And
I want to make mine
and
in
rose
gold.
gold, too.
Mm,
So you have choices.
I like it.
Choices with your bead soup.
So then you get your wire to match, or you could do like you could even
You can
mix
mix
match your
metals.
wire. That'd
Yeah.
be fun.
That would be.
Mhm.
There's just so many opportunities with this necklace.
I know. And really, all you needed was 2 tools: chain nose
Yes.
and a cutter.
If you want to use
20 gauge
flat
wire or
nose.
24 gauge wire, and used a little chain at the back.
Yes. That's
perfect.
it.
Easy. Thanks so much for watching. If you guys would like to pick up some supplies like the ones we worked with today, check out the links down below. What's the best thing you ever found at an Easter egg? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And now that you know a little bit about making an Easter-inspired necklace, you can say,
I made this.